How to change folder icon in Windows 11. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you a step-by-step process. So let's start. First of all, right click the folder you want to customize. Then go to show more options. Then click on properties. In the properties window, click customize tab at the right top. Under the folder icon section, click change icon button. Now select an icon from the list or click browse to use a custom.ico file. After selecting, then press OK and then press apply and finally press OK. Now you see the folder icon is changed. And that's how you change folder icons in Windows 11. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more Windows tips. Thanks for watching.